it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking to add a little more shimmer to your wardrobe? This shiny metallic tank top is by Allegra K. I have it here in a size small and it fits me true to size. I'm really impressed with the quality of this top. I think it's really well made. And just take a look at that super fun metallic shine. It's got kind of like a rainbow gradient. It is so fun. I love the way it fits. I got this to wear to a concert and it is the perfect top for an occasion like that out in the sunlight. It is so shimmery and reflective, but really anywhere, any kind of lighting, and it's going to be so shiny and it's going to look amazing with whatever you decide to pair this with. It's just super fun. I love it. This top is so much fun and I highly recommend it if you want something that's got a little metallic shimmer, if you've got a fun party coming up. This is such a unique top and I think that you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.